Hey, this is Dave, and I'm with my brother Rich, and today we're at what's remains of our old chimney that we took out of the house, and there's just a whole bunch of leftover blocks and such, and so we decided that we're going to put that to good use. And so as you can see, Rich is over here busily making some nice, neat, mortar-free cinder blocks that we're going to use. And the plan, after he chips away all the old mortar, is to use those and these other two pieces here to create a stairway that will link that one up there with this path that we have right here in the fire pit. Basically, the only way to make a quick run up the stairs is to cover this dirt patch, and so we want to get rid of that and recycle some old block and put it to good use. So that's the challenge for the next few hours, and we'll show you how to recycle this stuff and make something truly amazing out of it. Alright, so Rich has begun the tedious work of making level stairs.
Very tedious.
Very tedious. We've got the sideboards for the stairs just kind of line the direction and give him some idea of where he's going. And then he's doing, that's the initial stair on the bottom, and then he's going to go 2 cinder blocks on top on either side, and then that's going to be the depth of each stair, and then he just continues on all the way up the hill. And we have great hopes that he'll be done by Christmas.
Yeah, maybe. And I don't even know if this year.
Yeah, it is super slow going, but again, it'll be worth it in the end once everything looks nice and level.
That's cool. We didn't have to go buy these. I mean, right? There's a lot of material here.
It's a lot of material, and it's free.
Compliments
Of the chimney.
of the lake house. The lake house chimney. So high on it.
Yeah.
And the inspector's here, so I guess we gotta fix
You got to make it right. Yep. Alright, this is the progress so far. Rich is digging out basically the top pad that's going to give us a junction between the stairs, which are already nicely finished and in place. And we'll ultimately cement those in, mortar them in a later step, but for now it's just getting everything in. And this top level will make a junction between the stairs and we'll be good to go. It's taken a little bit of work, but it's great to be able to repurpose all this stuff and not have to throw it in a landfill or junkyard.
Yes,
So
I think that that's our old fireplace.
Yeah, our old fireplace leading to what will be our new fireplace. All right, well, here we are kind of finishing up the day. This is the lower portion of the steps, and that's basically ready for concrete and mortar. And then Rich is right here finishing his work, getting this gargantuan amount of blocks finished up. And then once everything's dry fit, we'll come back and mortar it all in, and we will have a we'll have a nice easy way down the hill to our walking path and fire pit.
All right, to finish out this project, we mortared all the cinder blocks to get them nice and secured, and we put pavers down over the cinder blocks to give it a good finished look, and we trimmed it out with some cedar. We were trying to match this other staircase that we have going up here, and so everything looks nice and coordinated now. All right, so that shows you what a great idea it can be to use recycled materials in your home improvement projects. And if you got anything out of the video, please hit the like button because it helps out our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in this video.